Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Roku remote. First, let's start by removing the batteries from your remote control. This is a crucial initial step. Next, unplug your Roku device completely from its power source. Make sure it's fully disconnected. Then, wait patiently for at least 60 seconds. This allows the device to fully power down and clear any temporary settings, preparing it for a fresh start. This simple process sets the stage for successful remote repairing. Now that you've waited, it's time to reconnect everything. Begin by plugging your Roku device back into its power source. Allow it a moment to boot up completely. You'll know it's ready when the familiar Roku home screen appears on your television. Once that's visible, carefully reinsert the batteries into your Roku remote. Double-check that they are placed with the correct positive and negative orientation for proper function. This prepares your remote for the final pairing step. With your Roku device on and remote batteries in, it's time to pair. Open the battery compartment on your remote and locate the small pairing button. Press and hold this button for approximately 5 seconds. You should see a small light on your remote begin to blink, signaling that it's actively searching for your Roku device. Keep holding until the light stops blinking, which confirms a successful connection. Your remote should now be fully functional and ready to use. If your remote isn't working after these steps, don't worry, we have some troubleshooting tips. First, always ensure you're using fresh, good quality batteries. Sometimes old batteries are the culprit. Also, try moving your remote closer to your Roku device during the pairing process to ensure a strong signal. If problems continue, you might consider a factory reset of your Roku device itself. This can resolve deeper software issues, but remember it will erase your settings and channels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.